In this video, I will show you how to use Google Translate on WhatsApp. First, you want to get up into that fiction and you want to take off Google Translate on WhatsApp. And for example, you go on a chat selection with someone and you type whatever you want. And if you tap and hold on it, and then if you go on the three dots on your right upper side, you're going to see that there is no option for getting up a Google Translate on WhatsApp. This is why you're going to just copy the section right here. Then you're going to get up and go to your browser. Then you can simply check it out, your Google Translate right there without any problems with a free statement. Go type for Google Translate and first you need to type it, go on it, simply select the language that you want to translate that selection. I will go from English to Macedonian. Now enter what you have copied before, and as you can see, it has translated.